In this video I'm gonna show you how to find the airport in GTA 5. So to find an airport, just click escape and then enter the map, and as you can see at the end of this map you will find an airport over here. So click on it twice so you can get this waypoint destination that helps you to get there. So I'm just gonna press here. There's probably another airport over here, like if you want it on the map, and maybe there's another one somewhere else. Any icon that shows like a plane, this is basically an airport. As you can see, this one shows a plane here. And I think you could also filter these icons by just planes. Let me see if I can go down here. So if I want just airplanes, let me see. As you can see, it's pointing on this one. So once you get to this, you simply wanna just get a car or a taxi and just go there, and it's not that hard. So let me just get a car right here. Let's get this one, for example. So what you're gonna do is just follow this waypoint destination, and this will basically get you to the airport. It's that easy. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.